Hello my dear students. Today we are going to start the next topic, that is derivation of individual supply curve. So if you go to the previous video, we have done the definition of individual supply schedule and the market supply schedule. So today, on the basis of that individual supply schedule as well as market supply schedule, we have to derive the individual supply curve and a market supply curve. So first I will start with individual supply curve, and for that individual supply curve we can follow the same schedule used while defining the individual supply curve. Now the individual supply schedule for good X is given. So here price per kg. So when price of a commodity is rupees 10, the quantity supplied kg per month in the market is of say 5,000. When price increases from 10 to 15, the quantity supplied in the market is increasing from 5 to suppose say 10,000. And similarly, when price is 30, the quantity supplied is increasing to 35 kg per month. Now on the basis of this given schedule, we have to plot all this point, and we have to show the shape of supply curve. So we will do one more thing here. We can consider one more column, and we can make point on the supply curve. Now suppose say for this 5,000 unit or 5,000 kg per month, we have point A. Now we are denoting this one by suppose say point B. Next one we have point C, D and A. Now I am going to take two axes, X axis and a Y axis. So this is your price axis, and this X axis is your quantity supplied. This is our origin. Now whatever the price and the quantity supplied, it is given in our schedule, we have to plot that same. So initial price of say 10 rupees. Next price we have suppose say 15 rupees. Next 20, 25 and 30. So when price is rupees 10, the quantity supplied here also will plot this quantity supplied till this 35,000. So suppose this is your 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and this one is your suppose 35. Now when price is rupees 10, quantity supply is 5,000. So when price is this 510, it is measured in 1000. This one is measured in 1000. This one is not 5, this one is 5,000, this is 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, 25,000, 30,000 and 35,000. So when price is 10 rupees, the quantity supplied is 5,000. So here price 10, quantity supply is 5,000. So just straight on this, we have to take one point. Now after plotting this point, we can remove this line. Similarly, we will do it for the second one. When price is rupees 15, the quantity supplied we have 10,000. So when price is 15, quantity supply is 10,000. So just straight on this, we will take another point. Suppose for this price 10 and the quantity supply 5,000, we are denoting by point A. So this is suppose your point A. And for this one 15 price, we have 10,000 units, and we are denoting this one by point B. So suppose this is your point B. Now similarly we will do it for next price. So next price we have 20 and the quantity supplied we have 16,000. So 15 is here, 16 will be the next. So just after this 15 we have suppose this 16. Now when price is 20, The quantity supply is 60. So here we will take one more point. Suppose this is point C. Similarly, when price is 25, we have quantity supply 25 units. So when price is 25, here the quantity supply we have 25. So here we will take 1 point. Now next we have price 30. So when price is 30, quantity supply is 35,000. 30 quantity supply is 35,000. Just straight of this we have to take one more point. Now this is your point D and this is point E. So after plotting all the point, we have to join this point by a line. So whatever the line will get, that will be the shape of supply curve, or that is the derivation of supply curve. So we'll start from here. We'll join all these points. So whatever the upward sloping supply curve will get, that is our individual supply curve. Next, I am going to derive the market supply curve from the market supply schedule. So the process is same like how we have derived that individual supply curve from the individual supply schedule. The difference is that in the case of individual supply schedule or supply curve, the quantity was only supplied by individual seller or the producer. But in the case of this market supply, the supplier or the producers will be more in number. And for our simplicity, we have taken only two form or the two producers, that is quantity supply. Here QS is the quantity supplied by firm A, means producer A, and this quantity supplied by firm B means the quantity supplied by the producer B. Now in the case of market supply curve, what we have to do, that we have to add the quantity supplied by firm A and quantity supplied by firm B, and on the basis of all this data or all this information, we have to plot the point and we have to derive the market supply curve. So first we can see that when price is 10 rupees, the quantity supplied by firm A is 5,000 and the quantity supplied by firm B is 4,000 kg. So the total market supply, we have 5,000 plus 4,000, we are getting 9,000. Similarly, for the next one, when price increases from 10 to rupees 15, we can see that the quantity supplied by both the firm A as well as firm B is increasing. So 10,000 plus 8,000. Here market supply is 18,000. Similarly, for this price 20, the quantity supplied by this firm A is 14,000 and by this firm B we have 11,000. So total quantity supply or market supply we have 25,000. When price is 30, the quantity supplied by firm A we have 90,000 and the quantity supplied by firm B we have 14,000. So total or the market supply we have 33,000. Now on the basis of this price, and this market supply, we will plot a graph, and whatever the shape of the curve will get, that will be our market supply curve. Now let us take two axes, price axis and we have quantity supply. This is our origin. So when price is 10 rupees, quantity supply we have, market supply we have 9,000. Suppose this is your 9. Now when price is 15, the market supply we have 18. Suppose this is our 18. Now when price is 20, the quantity supply we have 30,000. Suppose this is our 30,000. When price is 30, the quantity supply or the market supply we have 33,000. So suppose this is our point 33. Now when price is 10, the quantity supply is or the market supply is now 9,000. Let's consider this one point A. When price increases to 15, suppose this is our price 15, The market supply we have 18,000. So just straight of this we have to plot the point. Suppose say this is a B. Now next we have price 20. Now when price is 20, the quantity supply we have 25,000. I missed this one, 25. Suppose here it is 25. Now when price is 20, the total market supply we have 25. So just straight of this we will get 1 point. So this is point C. Now when price is 25, we have market supply 30,000. So 30,000 here, 25. Now when price is 30, the market supply we have 33,000. Market supply we have 33. Now suppose this is point D, this is point E. Now after plotting all the points, what we have to do that in the same way we have to join all the points by a line. So here after joining all the points, we'll get a line that will be our market supply curve. So this is a way to derive the individual supply and the market supply curve.